In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a sheet tab in Google Sheets. Renaming a sheet tab is a small change that makes a big difference when you're organizing data. Clear, descriptive names help you and your collaborators find the right sheet faster and avoid confusion as your spreadsheet grows. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can update a tab name with confidence. First, open your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're in the correct file where the sheet you want to rename lives. If you have multiple tabs open in your browser, double-check you're looking at the right spreadsheet before you proceed. Next, look toward the bottom of your screen. You'll see a horizontal row of sheet tabs, each representing a different sheet within the same document. Find the tab you want to rename. If you're not sure which one is which, click into each sheet to confirm its contents, then return to the tab that needs a clearer name. Now, right-click directly on that sheet tab. If you're using a touchpad, a two-finger click usually opens the same menu. On devices without a dedicated right-click, use your system's equivalent method to open the context menu. The goal here is simply to bring up the options tied to that specific tab. From the context menu that appears, select Rename. You'll notice the tab's current name becomes editable, and the text will be highlighted so you can overwrite it. Type the new name for the sheet. Keep it concise but descriptive so it communicates the purpose at a glance. Many people include useful details like the time period, a project phase, or the data category. Avoid overly long names that wrap or get cut off, and steer clear of characters that might cause issues in references, such as brackets or slashes. Consistent naming conventions, like starting with a date or a department code, can make future navigation even easier. When you're happy with the new name, press Enter to save it. You'll see the tab update immediately. Anyone who has access to the file will see the new name too, which helps keep your team on the same page. Inside this spreadsheet, formulas that reference the sheet should automatically reflect the change. If other files refer to this sheet by name, you may need to update those references manually. That's it. With a quick rename, your spreadsheet becomes clearer and easier to manage. You can repeat these steps anytime you need to refine your structure as your data evolves.